Everything about this house has beautiful architectural details.
But we did the kitchen first, then we did the pool house. We didn't prioritize the upstairs. So we had 5 children with 1 bathroom. And we waited till they all moved out except for the last one to finally do the upstairs.
There were walls that were coming halfway through a window or closing down small spaces. We gave every bedroom a bathroom attached to it. We created an upstairs laundry, and then this master bathroom that I'm sitting in used to be their bedroom, and now it's their master bathroom.
You know, interior space planning is something that all of our people are really good at, and I think we are good at that first, and then everything else sort of follows into place. And that's part of what creates that feeling when you walk into the space, is where the doors are, where the nooks are, you know, how the furniture is laid out. It's all space planning.
You know, one thing that I love about our Bick, we match all the millwork throughout the entire house. So it kind of looks like it was this way, I feel.
I have been dreaming about it, thinking about all the parts that went into it, and seeing it for the first time just gave me little goosebumps. It's so beautiful. It's everything I imagined it would be. It's a process that starts with a piece of paper and ends with something physical and tangible, and so exciting at the very end to see it all come together. All the stuff you saw in 2 dimension, pieces of paper coming together to fill a room is just, it's magical.
I love when clients are willing to do multiple rooms at a time, because my favorite part is making the spaces feel connected, like they're relatives, and to have a common thread and be cohesive.
She had a really good design team behind her. She had a good construction team, and her attitude was just very gracious and positive through the whole process. And that goes a long way in something that is complicated as what we've done here.
Well, I got to see this space literally almost a year ago, and it was literally down to the stud. And I had seen the layout, so I knew what it was going to look like, and then come in and see it fully, just fully finished. I'm still staring at it because it's so beautiful.
Because I don't think I've ever seen anything quite like what Wendy's done here.
I would not hire Karr. Wendy and I just seem to have this, we just work so well together, and we just kind of get each other. And I just love, now I'm working with Ashley, and that's fantastic because she's pushed me in my, the wallpaper and color. I've always struggled with color.
It's because you can go to one place and everybody's working together and there's no surprises, and it really is a magical result.
They think big, and they have high expectations of themselves, and they exceed those expectations.
This one is exceptional.
Go to Karr because they can make it happen.